Hey there! Welcome to Power Process Electrical Engineering Tech. Today we will learn about digital PLC programming. First, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Digital input devices in a programmable logic controller, PLC, are devices that provide binary signals to the PLC, indicating their state as either on or off. These devices are used to detect the presence or absence of certain conditions or events. Some common digital input devices used in PLC systems include push buttons, momentary switches used to provide manual inputs to the PLC, limit switches, mechanical switches used to detect the presence or position of objects or equipment, proximity sensors, inductive, capacitive, or photoelectric sensors used to detect the presence or absence of objects without physical contact, reed switches, magnetic switches activated by the presence of a magnetic field, toggle switches, manual switches that can be set in an on or off position, micro switches, small switches with a lever actuator, often used for detecting mechanical movements, pressure switches, detect changes in fluid pressure, typically used in hydraulic or pneumatic systems, level switches, detect the level of liquids or solids in tanks or containers, photocells, light-sensitive devices that detect changes in light intensity, emergency stop buttons, used to provide an emergency stop signal to halt operations. These digital input devices provide binary signals, 1 or 0, to the PLC, allowing the PLC to monitor the status of various processes, machinery, and equipment in industrial applications. The PLC can use these signals to make decisions and execute control logic based on the state of the input devices. Thanks for watching.